Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be trying some new products. It's going to be a makeup haul or a try on haul. So let's review them today. The first thing that I'm trying today is Cetaphil's moisturizing lotion. This one. Okay, I have nothing on my face. I just applied a tinted lip balm. So let's take a little bit of it. Okay, and then okay, so it feels a little oily for my skin. थोड़ा heavy है, but yeah. There लिखा है. Okay, so this is for normal to combination skin. Mine is a bit oily, so it's fine, but yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I'm using today is Revolution's Pore Vanish Primer. This one. It comes up with a pump. So I'll be taking a little bit of it. What I'm doing now is putting it all over my face today. Okay, so I forgot that I have ordered one lip balm from Dot & Key. This one is a lip balm with vitamin C and it also come up with SPF 30. It is a glittery lip balm. Let's see how it looks. It's pretty, yeah. So the next thing, Fit Me Fresh It in the shade 5. See shade match हो जाए बस. ये कैसे है? क्या भाई? पानी कैसे आया भाई? थोड़ा शेक करना पड़ता. Take a little bit of it, yeah. ये अजीब सा टेक्सचर है इसका. भाई. I hope shade match हो जाए. I mean I can work with it. So I guess it's a pretty good shade match. So let's blend it now. Don't drag it. Just dab your sponge. Dab, dab, dab. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay, so I'm using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This one is 13 Classic Nude. So what I'll be doing today is I'll be taking a very little bit of this concealer and putting a dot here, here, here and on my pimple. Now what I'll do is I'll simply dab it and the concealer is also very good. I mean, it's not so expensive. I liked it. Yeah, nice. I liked it. I'm using this Fit Me powder to fix my concealer. Okay, so now I'll be doing my brows. You can see iska halat kya hai. This one is from Miss Claire. This is eyebrow cake. I'm using this brown and black color to match my brow. Okay, so brows are done. I have this Contour Day Force Face palette from Sugar. Okay, so I am using this color, the brown one, and I'll be doing a very simple look today because आज का एजेंडा है न्यू मेकअप ट्राई करना. ओके, सो मैं जल्दी से आईलाइनर लगा के आती हूँ और मस्कारा लगा के आती हूँ. Okay, so eyeliner and mascara is done. The next is blush. I'll be using this Ilana Dream blush in the shade, Flamingo Pink. I'll be taking a little bit of it on my fingertip, like this much. Don't take it too much. And I'll be just quickly apply it. Joker सा लग रही हूँ, नाक पे लगा लेती हूँ थोड़ा. Full Joker. ऐसे ना वो लगता है एकदम sun killed. Am I looking like a clown? So ये blend हो गया है. Okay, so for lining my lips, I'll be using Sugar's lip liner in the shade Tan Fan 04. So okay, so the color work is pretty good. एक बार में glide हो रहा है easily. Okay, so next I'll be using this gloss from Sugar. See. This is pretty good. Okay, so this is how it is looking now. Let's see whether it's transfer proof or not. Almost नहीं ही है. मेरे को अच्छा लगा. It's comfortable. थोड़ा सा heavy है, but color payoff is good. Next I'm using is this Makeup Revolution London's H2O Hydrate Fix Mist. Okay, dab dab. Oh, this is how my makeup turned out today. आके ये भोली भोली बोली बोली ये कैसे बोले बैठ बैठे दोनों सुनते रहे. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for today. Bye bye.